We have classified the industries under the following heads: on the basis of raw material, on the basis of role, on the basis of capital investment, then on the basis of ownership, and last on the basis of bulk and weight. On the basis of raw material, we have agro-based industries, for example, cotton, textile, woolen, silk, jute, rubber, sugar, coffee, chemical, etc. Under mineral-based, we have iron and steel, cement machine tools, and petrochemicals. On the basis of role, we have two industries, that is basic or key, for example, iron and steel and aluminium smelting. Under consumer industry, we have sugar, toothpaste, sewing machine, etc. Under the capital investment, we have two types of industries, that is small scale and large scale. Small scale consists of maximum investment of rupees 1 crore, but large scale can have more investment than rupees 1 crore. On the basis of ownership, we have different classifications of industry. Public sector, that is government owned industries like SAIL, BHEL, etc. Under private sector, we have industries owned by individuals or companies like Reliance, Bajaj, Tisco, etc. Next is joint sector, which is a joint venture of government and individual, for example, Oil India Limited. Last, cooperative sector, which is owned by producer and worker or both, for example, milk industry in Kheda. Let us discuss about the last one, the classification of industry on the basis of bulk and weight. That is, we have heavy industries like iron and steel and light industries like electrical and cycle industries.